So now that we have an understanding of how Amazon SEO works and indexing and organic ranking for keywords works, and we've kind of thought about the voice and how to weave that into our potential copy that we write, the first step to creating a listing is really to prioritize a list of target keywords. And we're going to go back to the keyword dominator tool. We're going to use this example of a golf pushcart again. And I'm going to walk through the SOP and the steps that I leverage to figure out and prioritize which words do I want to rank for and integrate into my listing. So this is our kind of raw output that we did in the kind of initial product research stage. If you've got an actual product of your own, you can obviously throw this in here, but since we're in product development stage and have yet to launch, we're really just trying to figure out what keywords do we think we want to integrate into our listing when we create it. So the first step with this is we want to take the alpha ASINs, which are really those high performing ASINs in the category that have found a lot of success, not only with sales and revenue, but the correlation to the high degree of keywords that they've ranked for. So if I look at this list here, what I typically want to do is kind of look at this top 10% of total and figure out who are the ones that have captured the majority of the total monthly search volume in this particular category for relevant products and relevant keywords. So we can see here pretty clearly there's a couple top dogs here. There's really kind of three. So by selecting these two as the alpha ASINs, what it does is this first analysis here just takes any of the keywords that at least 3 of these 10 ASINs have ranked for. And that's a really good indication of relevance. And those have automatically been pulled into the target keywords here. But what it doesn't do is some of these alpha ASINs may have ranked for products in the top 10 that none of these other ones have. So they may be the only one. It's typically branded words, but oftentimes they've got some long tail keywords that they're ranking for that the non-alpha ASINs aren't. So we want to uncover what those are. So the first thing we're going to do is just toggle those two there at the top. We're going to go to the keyword dominator and then go add alpha ASINs. It's going to go ahead and run that script. And when it's done, what it's going to do is it's going to find any of those words that only those alpha ASINs are ranked top 10 for, and it's going to pull them into this target keyword list. So we can at least uncover some potential new words that the standard analysis with Helium 10 has not pulled in. And you'll see here it's been pulled in, and instead of a score here, the score is basically how many of these ASINs have actually ranked for a word on the front page. So you can see the number here. If it's an alpha ASIN, it's going to basically come in here as the actual ASIN. So step number 1 is to add the alpha ASIN. Step number 2 is to go over here to brand analytics. If you select this table here, it's going to enable you to sort on this section of words here. And the brand analytics is basically taking all of those ASINs, it was like 118 or whatever it was in the original analysis, and it's finding what keywords all of those ASINs had either a top click share number 1, 2, or 3, and then it's pulling those keywords in. We can see highlighted in green any of the brand analytics words that were also captured in our core analysis through Cerebro, so those are already pulled in. What we want to do is manually look at the ones that weren't in the Cerebro analysis and just see if there's any good ones there. So I'm going to come to the search term here. I'm going to go filter by color, and then I'm just going to go to white here. And then so this is there's 13 keywords that brand analytics picked up that wasn't in any of the Cerebro analysis. So I'm just going to manually look at these and see if there's any that are relevant for us to include for our golf push cart. Obviously, if we were doing an electric golf cart, we would throw that in there. If this is the big wheel option, we probably would leave that one alone for now. Let's just see, golf bag with wheels. I think that's relevant. I would click that one. Golf walking cart, I would definitely throw that one in there. Golf hand cart, I would throw in there. Push golf carts, 3-wheel foldable lightweight. Sure, why not? I think that describes the product as well. So I'm going to go up here to keyword dominator. I'm going to manually add those keywords. So we identified 4 keywords in brand analytics that weren't covered in our other analysis. So those will be really good for us to target. We've gone ahead and selected those. And then when those are plugged in here, you can see at the bottom here, it's going to list those as brand analytics. So that will be the score, and we'll know that those are the words. The final thing that I'll typically do, I'm just going to unsort this just for future analysis. All right, and then I'm going to come over here, click again. If anytime you want to sort any of these sections, just go ahead and click that table icon. I'm going to select that here, and I'm going to do the exact same thing here for the keyword dominator. And I'm going to have this just where there's no zeros, because I don't think zeros are going to be relevant. So I'm going to go through here. There's a decent chunk of them. I'm just going to manually select, hey, is there any that didn't get pulled in here from the cerebral analysis that I think makes sense for us to look at? I'm just going to kind of scan this really quick. Golf bag with wheels, I would throw that in there again. Best cart bag. Pull bag on wheels, I'd put that one in there. Okay, so we found 3 words. We're going to go ahead and do the exact same thing here. We're going to manually add those keywords to our target list. Cool, and it is done. I'm just going to turn this filter off so we're back to normal. Okay, so this is basically I would call it the core list that we now want to massage into the keywords that matter for us in this category. So we've got cerebral keywords in there from the top competitors that are relevant. We've got both of these alpha ASINs keywords in there, and then we've got the brand analytics keywords that we want to target. So this is a really healthy list. Like the raw list on this, let's just kind of count it out here real quick. All right, so we've got 155 search terms that are highly relevant and that I believe that we could kind of generate some sales from. What we want to do on this target keyword thing is a couple things. The first and most important is to find those really high relevant words that explicitly describe our product. I typically list those as a number 1 in this priority section, so it really explicitly describes it. If it kind of describes it, but I still might be able to rank for it, I'll put those as a 2. Typically, and then I'll typically take the branded keywords and put those as a B, because those are difficult to integrate into your listing because they're branded terms, but we still may want to target them from a pay-per-click standpoint. So it's really kind of sorting 1, 2, and or the B for branded. And then if I manually think that's irrelevant for our product, I'll put it as a 3 or a 0, kind of depending on how irrelevant it is. So I'm going to start by basically taking the search frequency rank. Let's go ahead and get that table going again so we can sort it. And I basically want to sort the search frequency rank from lowest to highest, so A to Z. And this is typically going to give us the highest volume, most kind of beefiest words first and work its way down. I'm kind of assuming that regardless of the score or any of the numbers here, that it's going to be relevant. Now it's just for us to manually sort and prioritize based on the volume. So I'm just going to go through here. Golf cart, it's a 1. Golf push cart, golf carts, which is the same as the first one because it's plural. Golf pull cart, golf bag cart, golf push cart, 3-wheel folding. I would put that as a 2 if I had a 4-wheel, but I think for a 3-wheel, I'd put it as a 1. Push cart for golf clubs. Sun Mountain is a branded one, so I'm going to put a B there. Push cart golf, I'm going to put it as a 1. Caddy Tech is a branded. Bag Boy is a branded. Golf push carts, plural, put it as a 1. Golf caddy, I'll put that as a 1. Electric golf carts with walking with remote, I'm going to put that as a 3, simply because that's not explicitly our product. But if we did have an electric, obviously that would probably be priority 1, even though it's a little bit of a lower volume. Golf push cart 1. Golf caddy cart 1. Push cart 4-wheel. Again, if we were doing a 4-wheel, it would be a 1. If it was not a 4-wheel, I'd do it as a 2 or 3. Electric push cart, I'm going to put as a 3. Golf trolley 1. Golf bag push cart 1. Golf push cart with seat. Again, if I had a seat, then I would. In this case, we don't. I'm going to put it as a 3. Golf pull cart 3-wheel folding with drink holder. I'll put that as a 3. But if that described your product, then you would put it. Sun Mountain, I would put as a B. Golf carts push pull, put as a 1. Bag Boy is a B for branded. Golf bag with wheels is a 1. Golf bag with 3 wheels, let's say it's a 1. Pull cart for golf clubs, 1. Golf pull carts, 1. Golf bag wheels, I'm going to put that as a 2 because this is not a bag with wheels, but people may be interested in it. Click gear, I'm going to put that as a branded. Bag Boy branded. Bag Boy branded. Click gear branded. Golf club cart, I'm going to put that as a 2. But I think you can actually, I'm going to put that as a 1. I think that describes our product. Walking golf cart, 1. 4-wheel push cart, again, if we were doing 4-wheel, we'd put it, I'm just going to say that as a 2. Caddy Tech B. Sporting clays cart, I don't know what that is. I might manually look that up to see if it's a golf cart. I'm going to throw that as a 0 as an example. Golf walking cart, 1. Golf walking push cart, 1. 3-wheel push cart, again, if it's 3-wheel, I'd put it as a 1. Janus is a branded term, B. Golf hand cart, 1. Bag Boy, I'm going to put that as a B. Push carts, push golf carts 3-wheel foldable lightweight. Put that as a 2. Use golf carts for sale cheap. I don't know. I'm going to put that as a 0. I don't think that's a word we necessarily need to have. Push cart, I'm going to put that as a 3 because a push cart could be non-golf related. Click gear is going to be a B. Golf carts for sale, let's put that as a 3. Caddy Text branded. Golf push cart accessories, I'm going to put that as a 3. It's not an accessory per se, it's the actual unit. Click gear B. Golf cart, I'm going to put as a 3. Click gear branded. Disc golf cart, I'm going to put that as a 0 because we're not doing disc golf. Caddy Tech accessories, I'm going to put as a B. Sun Mountain B. Rovic, I think, is a B. Speed Cart GT, I don't know what that is, so I'm going to say 0. Click gear golf, I'm going to put that as a B. 4-wheel golf cart, probably a 3. Golf bag pushers, a 1. Wheel golf bag, I'm going to put as a 2. Actually, I put it as a 3 because it's a little bit less relevant. Motorized golf cart for adults, I'm going to put as a 3. Golf cart 3-wheel, I'm going to put as a 3. Golf cart push, 1. Bag boy B. Golf carts 2-wheel folding, I'm going to put that as a 3. Golf cart front cooler, actually I'm going to put that as a 0. This doesn't describe the product at all. Caddy Light B. 4-wheel golf cart walking, let's put that as a 3. Golf bag for cart, I'm going to put that as a 3. It could be a 0 potentially. Golf carts used, 0. Youth pull cart, 2. Wheel golf push cart, 1. Junior cart, 2. Push cart seat attachment, I'm going to put that as a 0 because it's not really the product. Electric push cart, I'll put as a 3. Gold push cart, I'll put as a 3. Wolf's Heart, no idea what that is, 0. Caddy Tech is a branded term. Golf buggy, I'm going to put that as 1. I think that's really what the product is. Click gear B. Vin Golf B. Bag boy chiller B. Electric golf cart 3. Golf caddy cart 3-wheel, put that as 1. Caddy Tech B. WeGuard B. Golf push cart drink holder, I'm going to put as a 2. As far as how to drink holder, I'd probably put that as a 1. Collapsible push cart, 1. Golf pish cart, so I think that's a misspelling. I'm going to put that as a 1 and we can incorporate that into our back-end key terms. Hillbilly golf cart, giddy up. Put that as a 3. I don't know if that's a brand or just a hillbilly redneck thing. Push cart golf 3-wheel, say that's a 1. Sun Mountain cart B. Electric pull cart 3. Garage golf caddy, it's going to be 0 because that's like a stationary setup to store clubs in a garage. See how much more we got to go. We're getting close. Probably another 10 minutes here, maybe 5-10 minutes. Golf bags with wheels, I would say 2. Golf cart push bar, 2. Golf cart bags Mets, 0. Enclosed golf cart, 0. Push cart foldable, I'm going to say 1. 3-wheel golf cart, 2. Golf push quad cart, 2. Click gear golf B. Push golf cart 3-wheel Sun Mountain B. Golf push cart cooler, 0. Golf pull carts foldable, 1. Golf club cooler, 0. New golf carts for sale, 0. Half cart, I think I'm going to put that as a 2, that we can pick that up in the misspelling potentially. Caddy Tech Explorer B. Push cart golf bag, 1. Push cart golf 3-wheel, 1. Vision 554 golf B. Pull cart cooler, I'm going to put as a 0. Golf pull carts 3-wheel folding, 1. Caddy-matic B. Caddy Tech B. Alpha golf B. Golf cart roller, 1. Caddy Tech golf push cart B. Bag boy B. Sun Mountain B. Kids golf push cart 3. Click gear model B. Fishing push cart, 0. Golf den caddy, I think that's probably a branded term B, but we could double check that. I'm going to kind of skim over the stuff that I would normally double check just to save some time. Women's golf bags cart, I'm going to say 2. Golf cart 2-wheel, that's going to be a 3. Click golf cart B. Sun Mountain B. Golf push cart 1. Bag boy golf cart seat, it's going to be a 0. Push golf cart 3-wheel, 1. Golf push cart with cooler, say 2. Caddy Tech umbrella holder, let's put a 0 on that one. Caddy golf, B. Golf pull carts collapsible, 1. Coolerized motorized cart, I'm going to say that's a 0 because that's not necessarily golf. Junior pull cart, 3. Sun Mountain golf bags for men, B. Golf cart pink, let's put a 0 on that one. Pull cart accessories, 3. Golf cart, GOKF cart, I'm going to put that as a 3, but we could pick that up in the misspellings. You could also put like an M if you wanted for some of these for misspellings, so you can come back to them just in case. Mountain push cart, or golf club push cart, 1. Mountain push cart, 3. Bag boy revolver, B. Pull cart with wheels collapsible golf, 1. Golf push cart cooler bag, 3. Trek jet, I'm going to put a 0, I don't know what that is. Push cart golf sun mountain, B. Best cart bag, I'm going to put that as a 3. Pull bag on wheels, again, that may not be golf, so I'm going to put that as a 0. All right, so we've prioritized it. That's kind of how that looks. Again, you might want to be a little bit more deliberate about it for your own listing. This might take about an hour to do this kind of end to end. You may need to go do some research, things like that. To keep it kind of quick, I put it like that. And then basically what I want to do here is I want to sort this basically A to Z. And I'm going to go ahead and remove the zeros because we don't need those bad boys. And this is going to be a pretty good indicative kind of sort of our list. So it's got the highest priorities tagged number 1, starting with those. It's going to prioritize those by search frequency rank and search volume. So the ones we want to prioritize most in the title, because it's going to give us the most bang for the buck in terms of organic ranking power, is going to be these ones at the top. So those are the ones that are going to be prioritized for the title, and then we're going to try to weave those in as much as possible into the title. And then we're going to go on to bullets, back-end terms, description A+, and that will be the sequence of events. So that's how I prioritize keywords. Again, it's an in-depth exercise. Take your time. Do this with a cup of coffee and a fresh set of eyes, because this is really one of the more important things that you can do when creating your listing. We'll also use this prioritized list when we get into our launch keyword list, so we can figure out which ones we want to target first with our Amazon pay-per-click campaigns. Now let's dig in and write an actual listing in the next video.